This video is by Straight Goods News. SGNews.
This tyranny of political parties as an overlay on parliamentary democracy has to stop, and I think we're beginning to see some signs of other members of parliament finding their vertebrae, and perhaps we can see more members of parliament standing up to speak when they have an important issue to raise and not waiting for permission from their party bosses.
How come so many MPs, it seems, didn't or weren't aware of this right prior to yesterday?
I'm afraid that I call it the bad dog syndrome. If you've ever had a bad dog and you get a new puppy, the new puppy learns everything it knows from the bad dog. When I got here and read the rule book, it became apparent to me I was one of the few people who'd ever read O'Brien and Boss cover to cover to understand what the rules are, because when you're elected in one of the large political parties, you're told this is how we do things around here. So the fact that every member of parliament has rights was a surprise to many people. The fact that I speak in the House of Commons more than any other member of parliament. That comes as a surprise to many people because they assume that political parties run the House of Commons rather than the reality that members of parliament and the traditions of Westminster parliamentary democracy mean that all members of parliament are equal, in theory, including the Prime Minister. So the fact that people don't know the rules has a lot to do with where the power lies in their own lives. And in the life of most MPs elected to this place, the power over their day-to-day life resides with the party leadership, and that's wrong.